Can you listen? I'm see informer bia. What does it mean? Eh? Informer bia. That's informer come. If I want to say informer came yesterday, how will I say it? Hmm? They are beautiful. Who said that? Kedu onye kwuru ya? Daalụ. The simple. Eh? Ndị nke ọkụ. You know what? Let's adjust that just so that it can. There is something we call surface. Once you put the surface ra at the back, it becomes past tense. Biara. Biara. Once you put the surface, that's surface is what we know prefix and suffix now. This is a teenage cast, isn't it? Uh-huh. So eating an anara, that means is past tense. Biara. Elijah bịara be anyị ụnyaahụ. Elijah bịara be anyị ụnyaahụ. Agwa gị ka ha na-alarụ ọzọ. Okay, ebe ha ya ege ntịkwa ha ịfụrụ na a na-afụkwa ihe na oke ka ibe kụzie ha nke ụmụazị ihe ka ọ rapụ tata oke mma ebe daalụ nụ
so gịnị bụ bịa? Gịnị bụ bịa? Na tupu anyị emewe ihe anyị na-eme, anyị ga-eleba anya n'ime akwụkwọ anyị. Anyị ga-agụ ya ka egwu. Bịa, bịara. Gaa, gara. Rie, riri. Ṅụọ, ṅụrụ. Saa, sara. Desa, desara. Wepụ, wepụrụ. Hichaa, hichara. Mepee, mepere. Mechie, mechiri. No, learn this thing. When you see us saying these words, say the words. Oh, site n'ikwu okwu ka ị ga-eji mụta ịsụ asụsụ Igbo. Site n'ikwu okwu. Ikwu okwu Elijah, ọ gịnị ka ị na-ede? You don't have to write it down. It's already written down for you because ide ya ede. Ọ bụ ihe ọ pụtara ka ị kwesịrị ide the interpretations. So gịnị bụ bịa? Have you done the interpretations? Unu emego nkwugharị ya? I don't think everybody knows. Okay. Ngwa ka anyị bido. Gịnị bụ bịa? Bịa come. Gịnị bụ bịara? Ngwa, dee ya. Just write it. Okay, some people, onwe ndị chọrọ ide ya n'ime akwụkwọ ha. O, mana ọ ga-adịkwa mma idekwa ya ebe ọ dịkwa mma. Bịa. Gịnị bụ bịa? Gịnị bụ bịara? Wadetuo ya. Ka m depụtawa ya maka ndị obere. Gịnị bụ gaa? Kwụsie n'okwu ike. Gịnị bụ gaa? Gara. Yeah, when this way. Rie. Ngwa ka anyị na rie rie. Gịnị bụ rie na-eto Chukwu? Rie riri. Ṅụọ. Who knows ṅụọ? Onye ma ihe bụ ṅụọ? Ṅụọ. Ṅụọ. Drink. Gịnị bụ ṅụrụ? Gịnị bụ ṅụrụ? Saa. Sara. Well, no, this is sa, not za. Desa. Onye ọbụla desa. This table, this high table. Desa. Desa. Okay, keep. Then desara. Na-ede n'ọsịsọ. David, are you writing? You want to eat your chicken? You want to eat the pizza? You want to follow your daddy? Hold on. Please don't laugh. You know, I've told you. Laughing can actually translate to bullying if you're not careful. Oh yeah, when you laugh inappropriately. What is it? A picture. You want to see daddy? You want to eat your chicken? You want the pizza? Are you hungry? Do you have a pen? What is it? You want a pen? Show me. You don't have a pen. Pen. He wants a pen. Chubiko, you want a pen. Next time when you need anything, you tell me, Guam, oh? Don't start feeling sad. You talk. Write it inside your book. Use this one. When you don't feel bad, you tell me what you want, okay? There way. Wepụ ya. Mba, wepụ is remove. Gịnị bụ wepụrụ? Yes. Baby shine. You're beautiful, handsome. Hichaa ya. Hichaa. Clean. Ezi nwanne nwetara ya. Ya na n'Oshigoti, ya na Chimdike. Gịnị bụ hichara? Mepee. Ogochukwu. Mepere. Achọrọ m ịga ụlọ mposi. Ngwa gawa. Mechie. Ogo. Chibuikem. Chidi. Come say Adima no. I'm not. I can't hear your voice. Why? Which is around me talking. Mechie. Mechiri. Achọrọ m gịnị? Achọrọ m gịnị? Mmiri. Hmm? Achọrọ m mamịrị. Let's go. Nwa chọrọ ịnyụ mamịrị. Achọrọ m ịnyụ mamịrị. Blessing o. Ọ dị ka ọ chọọ ịsọ Igbo ba sọwara m Igbo. Ọ sị gị hapụ ya. Hapụ ya. Gbanye. Gbanye. Yes. Gbanye. Turn on or switch on. Gbanyụrụ. So gbanyụrụ can be turned on or switched on. Blessing. I'm coming. Ọ nọ ebe ana m abịa. Gbanyụọ. Gbanyụọ switched off. And what switch off? And gịnị bụ gbanyụrụ? But since we use turn on, let's use turn off. So you can just write both to side by side. Then turned on. Anyị na-ede ya. Kwụnye. Kwụnye. Kwụnye ekwentị m. Kwụnye ekwentị m. Plug. Plug. So kwụnyere bụ gịnị? Plug in. Yes, to plug in the phone. Kwụnye. 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 No, now. Unu emezina mkpọtụ. Ka ife ji eficha ya. Achọrọ m. Ka ihe ị chọrọ. Achọrọ m. Ka ihe ị chọrọ. What do you want? Achọrọ m. Next, ị ga-akwụ ụgwọ. Nwebedị ihe hụrụ nwa gị na-ekwu achọrọ m. Ya sị na achọrọ m mma mmiri. Achọrọ m mmiri ka ọ na-ekwu. Ụdịkọ mmiri ka ọ na-ekwu blessing. Ụdịkọ mmiri ka were. Ụdịkọ mmiri ka ọ na-ekwu. Gaa weta. No, you will say, Kenkebu, you already passed it. Kenkebu, you already passed it. You will say, if Ichago, are you Anambra? I say, if Ichago, ya. Whoa, see, if Ichago, ya. Ficha is Anambra, Hicha is the central. Mamo, cha, Igbo kwenu. Gịnị? Efere na-abụ. Akwa onye nọ na-asị na ọ chọrọ osikapa. Efere na-abụ, no exaggerations. Enyekọta m ya nri jizi aka si ha bupụ nri. Ọ menye nse. Ulikide ligide. Na-elibi. Ka ọ na-eli Amanda bịakwutekwu. Na-enyekwa Amanda. Na-enye nke tọrọ ya. Ọka anyị gawa. Nke ọzọ. Achọrọ m ka anyị niile nọkọ ọnụ. Ka anyị na-agakọta ọnụ. Ka anyị na-agakọta ọnụ means let's be going together. I don't want this plugged in. Ka m fụ ebe ị nọ. So So ka anyị gawa n'ihu. Ana m ede na bekee na Igbo. Ana m ede I'm still writing. Ana m ede steeti Igbo. Ana m ede n'Igbo na bekee na bekee. All of you, after summer camp, come to my school. It's an online. I have an online Igbo language. Just 1 hour a week. 1 hour a week. During summer, it's twice a week. When it's not summer holiday, it's 1 hour. You come and see my students. You see children in America speaking and reading in Igbo language. No jokes. Eh? Ngwa ka anyị na-aga aga. So ka ebe anyị nọ? Ka ebe anyị nọ? Kwopụ, gịnị bụ kwopụ? Kwopụ. Chidi, kwopụ. Kwụnye, ka eke bụ plug out. Plug out. Ka eke o si bụrụ plug out. Unplug. And then unplugged. Kwụsị mkpọtụ hụ. Gịnị bụ hụ? Hụ. You know, he has been answering me like he's been answering 70% of the questions. So. Yeah, okay. Okay, hụ. Gịnị bụ hụ? Si. Gịnị bụ hụrụ? Tinye. Tinyere. Ọkwa ofu ihe. Sie. Sie. Siri. Kwachie. Kwachie. Oh, kwachie. Yes, that's it, boy. But now it's shut. Shut the door. Kwachie. Chidi, sigine. Shut. Then, kwachiri bụ gịnị? Shut. Mee. That's it. Oh yeah. Do. And gịnị bụ mere? Did. Lee. Lee. Lee ya. Lee nne gị. No, lee. Look. He just knows it because the parents speak Igbo so much and he's been listening. You all hear these things every day. Just no. Shere, let me tell you, right? Let me tell you something. I'm going to speak English to say this. Let me tell you, it's your right to know your language. I want to tell you something. You're growing. You'll soon become adults. It's not far. 5 years from now, you're adults. 4 years, you're adults. Now, let me tell you something. It's your right. Listen, I want to give you a secret now. It's your right to know your language. If your parents are speaking Igbo English, it is your right to say, Daddy, please, Mommy, please, can you carry me along? Especially for the gossips. You know those gossips.
Oh, those ones I hear is very low.
If you go to the village, so if you go to the village and you sit there your grandma and your auntie, you hear the gossip, especially
Yes, you can tell them that, please, can they, now you can pick the words. Let me tell you how I learned Igbo. Let me tell you how I learned. Listen now, let me tell you how I learned. I learned from the gossips too. I learned from the gossips. But one thing I intentionally did is being able to speak back. Even if it is Anamadia, Ago. When they notice that you have the interest to speak back, they'll begin to slow down their pace to carry you along. I promise you. Yes, Ezi. Eh? Uh-huh. Yes. So you can actually know how to write it. Speak out now. What? No, then speak out. No, she can talk. No, see, I know all you can talk. No, she can talk. I know all this. Let me say, if I'm new, the thing I'm very, very. Do you even know I'm in the book? Pahos. Okay, Kaina Gaga. So, like I said, it's your right to know your language. If your parents are too fast, tell them to slow down. And then tell them, remind, sometimes they forget to, Mommy, speak Igbo to me, please. And then sometimes they tell you, go with 10 rigi, you say, okay, I'm Chidima, yes, daddy, I'm coming. No, be intentional too. Daddy, Anamada. Do you get? Then when they are rushing you, tell them to slow down. Tell him to slow down and carry you along. When they say it in Igbo, try to speak, respond in Hasorogi Igbo. That's what I say. Hasorogi Igbo. Let me tell you where your maturity. Now, let me tell you where your maturity begins to set in. If you don't know how to say it, you're not confident. Daddy, please, can you tell me how to say that in Igbo? Most of you are not going to be in Nigeria. I can tell you that. I know. By the time you want to go to university now, you're not in Nigeria. Some of you visited even from America. It's your right. Because when you go out there in the US, in the UK, you need some privacy. Do you know how God saved me severally? I was able to speak Igbo to my mom, and I would tell her something you won't hear. It made me have privacy. It made me, you can't bully me. You couldn't even do anything to me. I was so secured. You couldn't even molest me because I was so secured. If you try, yes. Listen to me. Genti, I'm no what is whoa, wow. That's the world we are in. I'm being serious here. Listen, Chere, when people want to cross their boundaries on you, and they want to also bully you not to talk, I can call her. I'll told her things in Igbo. You won't know what I'm telling her till I'm done. Then you come and see my mom in action. She'll go and fight. So it gives you privacy. It's not a matter of whoa. It happens. You have bad friends in school, especially those that go to boarding school. They bully you. When they bully you and your mommy calls you on the phone, because you can't speak Igbo, you can't even tell her that, see, this person is bullying me, they are taking my things. It's as simple as name, ha na-ewere ihe m. Ụmụ akwụkwọ m, ha na-ewere ihe m, ha na-eti m ihe. See, your mother will land in the next 2 hours. If you like, be in another, she will take a flight. Because you just told her, name, ha na-ewere ihe m. I'm talking now, Chere. You don't need to say it so much. Name, ha na-eti m ihe. They're beating me. They're beating me up. But because you can't speak Igbo, they will beat you. And every time they're calling you, your house master is there. The person bullying you is there. The person that is doing the wrong thing to you is there. So you can't say anything. Do you understand what I'm saying? You need Igbo for your privacy. You need it to be secured. So that when anybody tries to cross their boundaries, they want to molest you, they want to do it, somebody is trying to bully you. Hana come on. When they make jest of you, Hana come on. Their economy is to insult. Hana come on eba. Hana come on. Say Hana come on. Hana eti mi here. Hana eti mi here. When you say it, just tell your mommy, Hana eti mi here. Blink, your mother is there. She will come with your father and police and a lawyer. I'm telling you. Eh? Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's true. My mommy just said that. She said, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Everybody listen to this story. Listen to this story. Listen to this story. Do you know my younger sister? So one day she was in her house and some criminals came to rob them and they had guns. And they were going to blow up her husband's head. And then she shouted, Bikonu, Bikonu, Bikonu. I'm not telling you a frame story. My sister shouted, Bikonu, Bikonu, Bikonu. And one of them said, oh, one nanny. I happen dear. The criminal said, the thief said, that's her sister. Let's leave her husband. How many sentences?
Two.
How many?
What? Two.
Eh?
Three.
Bikonu, Bikonu, Bikonu. Three. And it's just one word. Bikonu, Bikonu, Bikonu.
Stop a whole entire
Stopped him from being dead. And the man that wanted to blow his head was like, oh, one night, I happy, oh dear. The man is an Akwa Ibom man and she's an Igbo lady. My younger sister. And they left him. You know what he did? They asked him for his ATM pin and he gave them the wrong pin. When they went to the bank to go withdraw about some years ago. You know when a criminal that's already angry came and said, give me your ATM. He wants to go and get money. You now give him a wrong pin. So on coming back, he got angry and he wanted to blow up his head. And she said, Bikonu, Bikonu, Bikonu. And the criminal said, oh, one nanny is our sister. I happy dear, let's leave her husband. You don't know how powerful your language is, and that's why we are doing this. Do you know what I'm saying? For your security, you need it. Coded, Leo, coded. You understand? Now, if you're in the public, another thing again is that you will not be embarrassed. Like if you go to public places and you feel so pressed, sometimes you're eating something and then you have a diarrhea. Eh? You want to poop, but you don't want to say it. Hey, I'm talking, listen. Gente. You want to poop, which are you say, and you don't want someone beside to know you're telling your mom that you want to poop. What do you do? Eh? Your mom will say, oh, okay. She'll quickly, wherever you are, no matter the protocols in that place, she'll quickly get up. Do you know why? She understood that, she's understanding the fact that, she's understanding the fact that you want your privacy and you need this thing seriously. What will she do? She'll quickly get up and break all the what? Protocols to make sure you have the restroom to go and do what you want to do. Does it make sense? So, are we joking here? You see, Igbo is powerful. Igbo Megini, Igbo Amaka, everybody see Igbo Amaka. So, because where, and the only way to learn it is by speaking it. Try, even if it is one word. The way you're saying Apam now. You see, someone come and if you tell it to your parents, that's it, you started speaking. As simple as Agro Nagum, you're speaking Igbo. Make sure you put in effort. Na asu Igbo. Turn to your neighbor and say, na asu Igbo. Na asu Igbo. So, the nke ọzọ bụrụzie nke bụ hụ lee. Is it lee I said now there? Do emekwala m. Do me. Okay, there, lee. I missed one. Oh, nobody knew I missed one. Me, do, there. This one now is lee. Oh, this is lee. So there, this is there. Putting patu now. Chibuikem. There bụ right. There bụ right. Nke a wee bụrụ gịnị? Nke a bụrụ gịnị? Road. Right. Road. Then enwe lee, look, lere. Gịnị bụ gwa? Gwa? Yes. You want to tell your daddy something, and you don't want somebody to hear, and you want him to just come out of where he is. You just say, Nnam, achọrọ m ịgwa gị ihe. Achọrọ m ịgwa gị ihe. Nnam, biko, achọrọ m ịgwa gị ihe. Do you know, as we are here now, and you want some privacy, and your parents just come in, and hey, but you want some privacy, just walk up to him. Nnam, achọrọ m ịgwa gị ihe. Now, wait now. You just walk quietly. She will know that the thing you want to tell her, maybe you don't even want me, Mazi. You even know. So you quickly,
No.
maybe I will be here now. And your mommy will be here. Hey, you just quickly walk up. Nna m achọrọ m ịgwa gị ihe. The way he will quickly say, oh yeah. Very fast. Children who speak Igbo are the smartest. Children who speak their languages, they are very smart. You can't outsmart them. How many of you are smart here? Iwaranya. Woo! Put down your hand. Who are you telling to put the hand down to? Okay, wait to Akagi. Ka anyị na-aga. Ngwa nke ọzọ bụrụ gwa, tell, gwa. Kwụsịnụ mkpọtụ. Gwa, tell. Gịnị bụ gwara? Oh, gwara. Unu adịghị ekwu okwu. Gwara. Nye. Yes. Nye. Nyere. Oh, kwụsị mkpọtụ means stop the noise. Nye. Nyere. Ihe m na-edezi. Ifugie. Taa. Gịnị bụ taa? Chew. Gịnị bụ tara? Chew. In language, you do a lot of chew. Like we use chew for meat, we use it for snacks, we use it for chew. Yes, abacha. You say I want to eat abacha, but in Igbo you say genunti now. So in English you say I want to. You say I want to eat apple, right? But in Igbo you say achọrọ m ịta. Because we use eat, rie for food, especially solid food. But we use this chewed ta for snacks. We use it for meat. We use it for anything that is not actually food, but you have to munch it. We use ta, chew. Racha. Racha bụ gịnị? Ezi nwanne emechisi na ị na-ekwu okwu na mmadụ anụ. Kwụsị okwu ike. Racha. Rachara bụ gịnị? Lick. Then mụta. Learn. Mụta bụ gịnị? Learn Igbo. How do you say learn Igbo? You say learn Igbo language. That's Igbo learned. And then where I missed one. Where bring. And where brought. Corona unaka. Ngwa de na ọsịsọ ka anyị ficha ka anyị wee bido debezi ahịrịokwu. Gịnị na ọ gịnị? Kwadowe documentary. Ebe dị iche iche na ahụ ndị Igbo like anyị nwere ike ime ịtọ. Those short ones anyị nwere ike ime. Okay, anyị emebeghị ịgba nkwụ. Enwere ike eme last nke ịgba nkwụ ka eme ya. ngwa ka anyị bido. Can we move on? Nwere ike ịgawa n'ihu. Also, if sorry, dechago. Say I'm at the anom na. Anom na there. Was it about sister? More sister means the fast. Dechago. When you don't write, you say dechalam. If you don't write, you say dechalam. Dechalam. You can go. Dance.
Oh, so you don't have to worry about the handwriting.
No, I didn't say anything about that. No, I didn't. No. I'm not like that. I don't do. No, I don't do that. Where is it? I'm the least person that will ever make you feel inferior for any reason. If you stay around me, you'll be very confident. Very confident. You see, you don't laugh at people, you don't mock them. As long as you can interpret your handwriting. It's just that yes, and you know, you have to just all you need to do is you just improve, that's all. But you have not written other things, that's my
Yeah, I've
concern.
been going. I miss
But get somebody's notes now, right? So she has finished.
No, we have not finished.
Wait, which one is left?
Shut up.
We were playing. Mepe is open. Mechie. This mepe. Open. Mechie. Close. Banye. Turn on. Who has finished? This table is high table. The noise you are using to distract yourself is the issue, not me.
Not that. Because she did not write it on her book. She wrote it directly.
That's
I don't know
fine.
who to do that. So I had already started here.
everybody like
Well, finish. But then also soon they say the chalam. Uncle Chubiko Bia. I'm coming. No, relax, that's what we're gonna do next. Everybody will make a sentence. Okay, can we move now? Kamsi, can we move? I bido. Adure, okay, I bido. Wagawa. Bring that shit. Say that you don't. Ngwa, Zara mficha. Mficha wa. Kebino. Edechala m. Edechala m. Ngwa ka bido. Ka anyị leba anya na the pronoun drills. Pronoun drills. So this pronoun drill now anyị emego pronoun mee verbs. Ọ ga-adịzi mfe gị wee ghọta ya. Unu emego ahụrụ m gị na nne gị n'ahịa, gịnị ka ọ pụtara? Gịnị bụ hụ? Jesus. I did not say n'anya, I say n'ahịa. Go to the pronoun drills now. Here.
That's what she said it was. That's what she said. She said it was I love you.
She didn't know what we wrote. You know we put ahịa is market.
It was too long to say it was love. I love you.
I knew it was
That's what
market.
everybody wrote.
I said market.
So you were right. I saw you and your mom in the market. Oh God, Chukwu.
Thank God, I was even about to come and mom after that, and I'm like, I was about to just say that. Why did you just say that? I was like, I saw you. And to be really bad.
Ngwa, achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. David wants to eat this pizza, but I've told somebody to go and get pet bottle drinks for you people to take your pizza. You want water? Achọrọ m ịsa ihu m. Achọrọ m ịsa ihu m. Ịsa. Uncle Chikwado, biko bịa ka ị gaa nye ya mmiri, ọ sị na ọ chọrọ mmiri. Ngwa ka anyị bido n'ụlọ. Ha chọrọ iri nri ha. Ha chọrọ iri nri ha. No, we've done achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. I want to drink water. Nke atọ. Okay, we are going to start from that table. You get up, you read one, you tell us what it means. She has already done it with us. Ngwa. Ngwa, bilie, bilie. Bilie means kuroto. Stand up, kuroto. Children say they've been talking too much. It's not choose one, it's turn by turn. Ngwa. Norodu first. Norogodo odu. Eriri m ya n'oge mgbede. Say it the way. Eriri m ya n'oge mgbede. Kọrọ nụ ya aka. Ngwa ọgọ. Mba nke ise number 5.
Mụ na gị bịara ebe ahụ. You and I came to that place.
Mụ na gị bịara ebe ahụ. Onye ọbụla sị mụ na gị bịara ebe ahụ.
Mụ na gị bịara ebe ahụ. You and I came to that place.
Ngwa nke ọzọ.
Yes, class happened.
No, I don't like to brag.
Oh, why? Can you?
It can't be that deep though.
Listen to me. You're using all the bad languages. And parents are complaining of life. That's how they call your attention. They are not being if parents complain, I will still write a text to them. They have been complaining. That's why you see me calling you. Ngwa. Now number 7. So pronounce the desara. Don't laugh. Someone is learning also. So desara and make it one word. Yes. So start again. So can you make ebe and ahu one word? Now take away the e in the ebe. Listen to what I'm teaching him. You need it, Tiffy. Take off the e in the ebe. Connect the eb to the ahu. No. Take away the e in the ebe. The first e. Then the second e. Take it off. Now merge eb and ahu. So like make it one word. Ebe ahu. Ebe ahu.
So it
No, the desara and the one word. Good. Edesara m ya ebe ahụ. What became? Yeah, what's the meaning?
I kept it in that place.
I kept it there.
That's not what you told us.
But you know, I'm the one who wrote it.
Let's all change it, guys. I kept it there.
Edesara m ya ebe ahụ. I kept it there. You know, I gave you the pronoun meanings. No. Ngwa ka anyị na-eme. Ngwa. No, it's not true.
Which one am I doing?
Number 8.
8.
Ka were nri gị n'ime. That na ime. Say n'ime. Throw away the a and make the n come together with the ime. Am I making sense? You will take away that n'ime, that na ime, the na, the a in the na. Take it off in your mind. Yes, and put the nime and make it one word. What do you have? Everybody, kwonu n'ime, n'ime, n'ime. Inside. Wow. Say it again. Nri gị. Is it what she said?
Oh,
Kitchen.
kitchen.
Wade tuo ya. Ngwa, Chidi. Number 9. Mm-hmm. What does it mean? Did you write it? No, to do it fast or to do it quickly. Write it that way. She told you to do, man, do. Do it fast. Also, it's so fast. Yeah. Ngwa Ife. Ee, senior nne anyị ndewo. Taa bụkwa treat day o. Cha Igbo kwenu. You are not giving. Mommy said she got some things for us tara anyị ihe. Cha Igbo kwenu. Cha Igbo kwenu. Cha Igbo kwenu ono. Kọrọnụ mami aka o. Kọrọnụ ya aka. Kọrọnụ ya aka. Sinu ya nnọọ. Ndewo nnọọ daalụ. Hey Jehovah. I don't know yet. I'm even surprised myself. Mommy daalụ. Ndewo ma Chukwu gọzie gị. Ndewo. Ị chọrọ ifo ya? You should say don't worry, you will like today's dinner. You will enjoy the dinner today. Ọkpa. Ọ sị na inyegidere ya ọkpa ndị ọchọ dị ji ntị wee nụlọ ọkpa na kampụ. Ọgọ. Ka ọ dị si ya ka ọ dị. Ngwa, ogini. Nye ya nke okezie, ka ebe ị na-eje. Ọ da-achọ. Ngwa cha Igbo kwenu. Cha Igbo kwenu. Ka onye na-agụ. Ka onye na-agụ. Ife ịgụchago nke gị. Ngwa ife ịgụọ nke gị. Ogo, Zara. Ngwa. Come and read your own. Zara, have you left us behind? Ngwa, read your own. We came out at church show. I don't like it when people laugh anyhow. I don't tolerate it. Just make sure that when you're laughing, you make sure you're laughing and nobody is embarrassed. Because laughing can actually be a form of bullying. I'll keep saying it. And I don't tolerate it. What does it mean? Look outside. Good. Adure, ngwa. Let's go this way. Let's leave here. Ngwa. Kedu akwụkwọ nke gị? Kedu nke gị? Where's the handbook? You say what? So that's what you tell your mommy. Okay. Before I give you polo, if you don't have polo today, now we have brought the polo for everybody. If you don't have polo, you must show me your handbook before I give you polo. So ị na-akọ akụkọ. Anya isi do na onye nwe na-eme mkpọtụ mgbe a na-eme ihe a. Mommy gị mkpọtụ dị na-ebe akwa. Cha Igbo kwenu. Cha Igbo kwenu. Cha Igbo kwenu no. Ngwa nke a lee anya ebe a na-eri nri. Look at the place where they eat food. Look at the place where they eat food. Say it. Look at the place. Look at the place. Say it. The meaning is look at the place where they eat food. Okay, who will tell us number? Nke iri na atọ, iri na atọ, iri na atọ, iri na atọ. Kpọrọ m ha. Gịnị bụ kpọrọ m ha? Dị okezie. Ndị a asị na gịnị na-eme ha? Okay. Kpọrọ m ha. Yes. Kụọrọnụ ya aka. Okay, ọ bụ nke m. Ọ bụ nke m. Kpọrọ m ha. Call them for me. I hope you are writing. We have entered where you have to write. Remember, ọ kwụsị na number 10. Number 11, lee anya n'ezi, look outside. Let me tell you how. Shh. Hey, Elijah. Akachukwu kwụsị. Let me tell you. Maybe somebody is outside and you want to tell somebody or signal your mom. Shh. You want to signal your mom or your dad to look outside, but you want to do as if you don't want, like, you know the gossip now. You know gossip in Igbo. So you can just say like this, and I'm telling Uncle Okezie to look outside, but I don't want the person outside to know I'm telling Uncle Okezie to look outside. I'll say, Okezie, lion is a lion is it. Lion is a lion is it. It's not common. No, it's not. What I mean is, it's not. You are close. You are at a close range with the person. Even if the person is Igbo, the person will not know now. Say, look, is a lion is a lion is it. Oh yeah, is that person? Okay, lee anya n'ezi nke iri abụọ. Gịnị bụ lee anya ebe a na-eri nri? Lee anya ebe a na-eri nri. Look at the place where they eat food. Lee anya ebe a na-eri nri. Probably you are in a mall or in a big environment and you were like, look over here where they eat food. I'm there. Lee anya ebe a na-eri nri, ị ga-ahụ m. So lee anya ebe a na-eri nri. Look over where they eat or look at where they eat. But the next one is number 13. Number 13. Iri na atọ. Nke iri na atọ bụ gịnị? Everybody read it. Everybody. Onye ọbụla gụọ ya. Ọsịsọ. If you don't say, okay. Onye ọbụla kwuo ya. Kpọrọ m ha. Gịnị bụ kpọrọ m ha? Call them for me. Nke ọzọ nke iri na anọ bụ gịnị? Ọ bụ. Kwuo ya. Ọzọ. Achuka family, read. The speaking is more important than the writing. Read it again. Kwuo ya. Chizara kedu akwụkwọ gị? Get your text. Get it. Wepụta ya. Akwụkwọ gị. Wepụta ya. Ọ bụ nke m. Gịnị bụ ọ bụ nke m? If you go, I won't give you snacks. If you go. We will soon be done. I'm waiting for your drinks now. You're tired and then you leave the class. And we're almost done. We're waiting for the drinks to come so we can take the drinks and the snacks. So while you're waiting, let's get done with this. Go the money. Chuka, why now? No, it's not your problem. Nobody here when you go no. Okay, madam. I go to get.
Everybody.
There's a boy of his age. The house was born and the parents was not around. Before he's not, this boy should be around 4 years. I think. That baby was trying, now small you senior shine.